So the wool that we use is sheep's wool. So just make sure you wash your hands after before you have your lunch. And what we are going to do is just take little bits of the wool and stuff it in, but we don't want our, yeah, just keep, so if you're still working going around your owl, just keep going. I'll just keep chatting. But we're nearly there. We just need to sew up the hole, and you can always catch up while we're chatting about the house as well. So you don't want your owls to be like bursting. So like this one, they're a little bit like flatter. So I've just stuffed a little bit up to the ears. Just stuffing, try to get it around to the edges. And just use little bits. I love the wool because it smells really good to me. A little bit farmy, quite like that. It's also biodegradable and like fire retardant and hypoallergenic and all that good stuff. So I like to work a lot with natural fibers, wool, all that good stuff. So we're just going to stuff in a little bit till it's like not too stuffed, but just enough that it's like nicely padded. There we go. Maybe tuck a little bit more in, so just so that it's stuffed right to the edge there. And then I'll just hold my owl closed. And I think if I'm lucky, I will have enough thread to get the hole closed. Let's see. So once I've stuffed my little owl, I'm going to work my way up around. Let's hold it this way. Up around that hole. So just keep holding it closed as best you can. And we're going to stitch it closed with the overstitch. There we go. Oops. So up from the bottom. And then once you've closed up the hole, you can just wiggle your stuffing around a little bit on the inside to make sure it's all spread around. And then I'll show you the last to tie your knot when you're on the side. So we're just going to go up from the bottom like it would be a regular stitch, and then we're going to sew through the loop here and pull. So we're going up from the bottom and send your needle back through that loop and pull, and that will make a little knot for you on the side. And then to hide your tails, we're just going to send our needle through our owl. It can be anywhere, it doesn't matter where, just as long as our thread has gone in from the side. And then to cut your needle off, you just tug it a little bit and snip close to the felt, and then your two tails are hidden inside your owl, so you don't have any little thread bits sticking out. Then I've got a little bit of teal left, so that's great. If you needed to change your thread, you should have had enough thread on there to go around your owl. And those are the owls done. So they've got a little pocket in the back